Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a hair mask that will have your hair hydrated as well as promote hair growth. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So you're just going to need 3 ingredients for this hair mask: a cup of papaya, 1 banana, and a 1/4 cup of aloe vera juice. So now I'm going to take all the ingredients and add them into a blender. First, I'm going to start with the papaya, and papaya helps your scalp produce sebum, which nourishes, strengthens, and protects your hair. Also, papaya acts as a natural conditioner. And then I'm going to add the banana, and bananas are great for your hair because it contains potassium, and potassium is known to promote hair growth as well as control dandruff. Also, bananas are known to be a great conditioner, which also helps to moisturize and hydrate your hair. And lastly, I'll be adding the aloe vera juice. And when it comes to aloe vera, it acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Now that everything has blended together, I'm just going to take the hair mask and put it through a sieve just to make sure that it's a nice smooth consistency. So now this part is optional. I'm going to add a few drops of peppermint oil, and then I also will be adding about 2 tablespoons of my moringa and papaya oil. If you haven't checked out that video, then I'll leave it in the cards above. Apply the hair mask from root to ends, working in sections until fully saturated. Clip your hair up, cover it with a shower cap, and leave it on for at least an hour before rinsing and shampooing your hair. If your hair is incredibly dry or damaged, leave it on overnight and rinse out in the morning. So I applied the hair mask to my mom's hair because that day was her wash day, and plus my hair is in some Marley twists right now, so I couldn't really apply it to my hair. But when not in use, I would suggest placing it in the refrigerator, and it would last about 2 weeks. If you want it to last longer than that, then I would suggest putting it in the freezer, and it should last about 3 months. Also, I would suggest placing the mask into an applicator bottle, so that way it's a lot easier to apply and you create less of a mess.
What we do here is go.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.